Hold on to your curiosity. Hover into the hidden world of innovation as we unravel 10 mind-blowing gadgets you didn't know existed. Brace yourself for a journey through cutting-edge tech that'll leave you hooked and craving for more. Number 10. Tornado. The Tornado is a unique two-in-one creation that goes beyond being just another smart gadget. As a guiding light in our digital age, it steps in to offer genuine experiences. Handmade from fired pottery clay, this remarkable device not only warms up your room but also introduces a delightful aroma. Crafted with care, it serves as more than just a technological tool. It becomes a beacon for authentic moments. The Tornado stands out in the world of gadgets by seamlessly combining warmth and fragrance, adding a touch of handmade charm to your surroundings. Embracing the essence of real experiences, this device stands as a testament to the artistry of its craftsmanship, ensuring that it is not merely a product, but a meaningful addition to your daily life. Number 9. Doow. In your time of need, this small marvel perches on your nightstand, ready to perform its enchanting feats. Operating like a metronome, its hidden power lies in the light system it employs. As the projected light widens, you take a deep breath, and as it contracts, you exhale. This rhythmic breathing pattern significantly accelerates your journey into slumber, making the process several times quicker. The device operates for either 8 or 20 minutes, depending on your selected preference, after which it gracefully shuts down, leaving you to start on sweet dreams. This unassuming wonder serves as a reliable companion, quietly aiding you in your quest for restful nights by harmonizing your breath with its gentle light cues, ensuring a soothing and automatic transition into a world of peaceful dreams. Number 8. Ilic Robot. Moving on to Ilic, the adorable robot pets cater to both kids and adults seeking the perfect interactive companion. Packed with abundant emotions, idle animations, and engaging features, Ilic promises a delightful experience. Placing it on your desktop unveils a world of emotions triggered by touches to the head, belly, and back, each evoking different expressions. No complicated Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connections are needed. Simply power on and enjoy the interaction whenever you desire. Ilic transcends mere robotic functionalities. When connected with another Ilic, they engage in chats, play games, and even exhibit friendly fights or quarrels. Introducing multiple Ilics results in a lively party time. The fun doesn't end there. Frequent firmware updates and new interactive content ensure Ilic constantly evolves, learning more emotions, functions, and games to keep you entertained consistently. Number 7. MetaQuest 3. For those passionate about virtual reality, a new era unfolds with the latest innovation from Mark Zuckerberg's company, Meta. The Quest 3 has emerged as a revolutionary headset, featuring 2 displays with an impressive resolution of 264 by 2209 pixels. Going beyond standard virtual experiences, this headset is equipped with 6 cameras, supporting mixed reality. Quest 3 not only immerses users in virtual realms, but also allows them to elevate their surroundings. Imagine turning your kitchen table into a grand piano for an impromptu concert or two. It's not just a device. It's a gateway to transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary stages, offering VR enthusiasts a dynamic and versatile platform for exploration and creativity. Number 6. Smart sunglasses. Next is a pair of intelligent sunglasses crafted explicitly for athletes, aiming to deliver real-time sports performance data and maps. Diverging from the conventional glance-at-the-wrist approach of smartwatches, these sunglasses provide information directly within the line of sight. With an impressive 1C refresh rate, users can effortlessly track their stats without distractions. These smart shades seamlessly sync with any sports app on your smartphone, ensuring compatibility and convenience. Notably, they feature photochromic lenses that autonomously adapt to varying light conditions, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. The company also offers custom prescription insert frames with an anti-fog design, catering to individual needs. Priced around, this innovative eyewear brings a new dimension to sports technology, enhancing the athlete's experience with seamless data integration and adaptability. Number 5. Tros 65 Charging Station. A charging station that goes beyond aesthetics, the RGB lighting is not just visually appealing, but serves a purpose. Featuring a robust 65-watt charging module, it ensures rapid and efficient charging. The inclusion of an LCD screen provides real-time information, enhancing user convenience. With 4 versatile ports, simultaneous charging of multiple devices becomes seamless. Additionally, 6 regular outlets accommodate various plugs, expanding its utility. Safety takes precedence with built-in protections against current and voltage fluctuations, static electricity, short circuits, and more. This charging station, starting at, combines style with functionality, offering a powerful and secure solution for your charging needs. The blend of efficient charging, informative display, and safety features makes it a standout choice for those seeking a reliable and visually appealing charging solution. Number 4. KUET Data Tracker. The solution for keeping important information right in front of you without being glued to your phone is here, introducing these fantastic cubes. These cubes are your go-to for displaying any data you desire, whether it's real-time stock and crypto prices, tracking Instagram followers and YouTube subs, or monitoring asset growth. The couplet, in particular, acts as your personalized dashboard, delivering the details you require. No need for coding skills. Just select the data you want from an incredibly user-friendly menu. The result? Your very own tracker is ready to go, a convenient and accessible way to stay informed without the distractions of your phone. With these cubes, you have a simple yet powerful tool that puts important information at your fingertips, offering a seamless and personalized data tracking experience. Number 3. Fomo. The Fomo Survival Kit is a remedy for the fear of missing out that often plagues avid social media users. This kit consists of 3 essential items, each addressing a specific question: who, where, and when. Select an event on your social media, and the whistle-like gadget will audibly reveal the guest list. The compass ensures you won't lose your way, guiding you to the venue. Additionally, the flashlight serves a dual purpose as a timer, keeping you informed about the time remaining before the event. This innovative survival kit provides a practical solution for combating FOMO, offering a simple yet effective way to stay in the loop and attend social events without the worry of missing out on important details. Number 2. Unihertz Jellystar. Now, these adorable flashlights might deceive you at first glance, but hold on. They're not just cute, they pack a punch. Meet Jellystar, a phone running on Android 13, equipped with a powerful MediaTek Helio G99 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and an impressive 256 GB of storage. Connectivity is seamless with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and capturing moments is a breeze with the 48-megapixel camera. Security features include a fingerprint scanner on the back and front Face ID. Stay connected with the USB-C port and enjoy added perks like an infrared transmitter and a 0.137-inch jack. Concerned about battery life? Fear not, as Jellystar boasts a 2,000 mAh battery, ensuring you stay powered up for all your adventures. Number 1. Wiis Vapore Wisman X Cycloid Magnetic Power Bank. The creators of this power bank have infused it with what they call retro cyber aesthetics. They've adorned its sleek body with a display that not only showcases 8-bit graphics, but also provides technical information. What's more, you can engage in playing simple games directly on the display. Beyond its nostalgic charm, it functions as a typical power bank with a 10,000 mAh capacity, ensuring you have ample power on the go. This power bank seamlessly combines a touch of the past with modern utility, making it not just a charging solution, but also a stylish accessory for those who appreciate a blend of retro and contemporary design. Thanks for watching.